Yep, sanibonani guys, nangu uPestaba bafethu sasey-free agent. If bekuyimi i-Kaizer Chiefs, I will take this guy bafethu. If uthathe uCastro, wathatha uDoli, wathatha uKhama Billiard, bese uzoyeka uPestaba, umuntu onganama injury. Akahlushwa ama-injury uPestaba, but aboKhama Billiard bahlushwa ama-injury, aboKigen Dolly bahlushwa ama-injury. Nangu umuntu ngabe umhlanganisa noGustin Sirino nabobani nalabafana laba abafikile manje abanye beChiefs. Same thing, uhlanganise at least ube nabantu abayi4 man abazodlala ku-starting lineup, abane experience yokuba ku-PSL, experience yokuwin league. Yabo, if bekuyimi i-Kaizer Chiefs, this year madoda besifuna ileague competitive yazi, hayi lento ukuthi iSundowns izithathele ileague thina siyi-Pirates loko siyazama siba number 2. Funeka ileague ngathi number 1, number 2, number 3 ile top 3, Sundowns, Chiefs, Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, yabo. Hayi lento ukuthi league seyabhora. Hayi, Chiefs mayithenga lo mjida mfethu.